Are you struggling to create blog headlines that grab attention and boost your click-through rates? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll share powerful tips to craft engaging headlines that drive traffic and keep readers hooked. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about understanding your audience. Your headline is the first impression readers get, so speaking directly to their needs, wants, or problems is critical. Ask yourself, what does my audience care about most? For example, if you're writing for fitness enthusiasts, a headline like 10 proven exercises to burn fat fast instantly resonates. It's clear, direct, and solves a problem. Tip number 2, use numbers and power words. Headlines with numbers like 10 tips or 5 secrets stand out. Numbers add structure and promise specific value. Combine that with power words like ultimate, proven, or effortless to create intrigue. For instance, try 7 effortless ways to skyrocket your blog traffic. Doesn't that sound irresistible? Now, let's move on to keeping it clear and concise. Long, complicated headlines might confuse readers. Aim for something that's easy to read and straight to the point. Ideally, stick to around 6-10 words. Remember, a confused reader doesn't click. Tip number 4, focus on specificity. Instead of generic headlines, add details that make your promise tangible. Compare these, how to blog versus how to write blogs that earn $1,000 a month. Which one would you click on? Exactly. Being specific makes your headline more actionable and trustworthy. Finally, use questions and emotional triggers to spark curiosity. Headlines like, "Are you making these common blogging mistakes?" or "Do you want to double your traffic overnight?" make readers feel compelled to find the answer. Adding emotional words like amazing, powerful, or surprising can also amplify interest. To wrap it up, remember these 5 tips. Understand your audience, use numbers and power words, keep it clear and concise, be specific, and don't shy away from questions or emotional triggers. With these strategies, your headlines will stand out and drive more clicks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. For more content creation tips, see you next time.